Let us do question number 17, which states that the length of a veranda is 3 meters more than its width. The numerical value of its area is equal to the numerical value of its perimeter. Taking x as the breadth of veranda, write an equation in x that represents the above statement. Second part, solve the equation in first part above and hence find the dimension of the veranda. Here you see I have taken the breadth x meter, length will be x plus 3 meter. The area is equal to x into, in bracket, x plus 3, it will be equal to x square plus 3x is meter square. Perimeter is twice the length plus breadth, bracket close, so it will be equal to x plus 3 whole twice, so it will be equal to 2 into 2x plus 3, it will be equal to 4x plus 6. Numerically both are equal, so we will equate the x square plus 3x plus x square plus 3x will be equal to 4x plus 6. Numerically these are equal as per the given statement. So the x square minus x minus 6 will be the required quadratic equation. Second part, we have to find the breadth of the wall. Value of x we have to find out here. X square minus 3 into 2, 3 minus 2, bracket close, x minus 6 is equal to 0. You see, I have written in place of 1, 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. But 3 into minus 2 will be equal to minus 6. Now open the middle bracket, x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Take out x from the first and second term common, so we will get x inside the bracket x minus 3. From third and fourth term you take out 2 common, so it will be equal to 2 बाहर से बाहर की तरफ और ब्रैकेट के अंदर होगा x minus 3, ब्रैकेट क्लोज है, equal to 0. So take out x minus 3 common, so x minus 3 and plus into x plus 2 equal to 0. Now these two factors are equal to 0, hence alternatively we will put up x minus 3 equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here x will be equal to 3 meters, here x will be equal to minus 2 meters, which will be rejected as it being negative. So the breadth is 3 meters, the length will be equal to 3 plus 3. So the length will be equal to 6 meters. This will be the answer of question number 17. Now proceed to the question number 18. Question number 18 states that the two squares have the sides x centimeter and x plus 4 centimeter. The sum of their area is 656 square centimeter. Express this as an algebraic equation in x and solve the equation to find the sides of the square. You see, I have drawn the picture also. There are the two squares, one square having the side x and other is having the sides x plus 4. The sum of the area of the two squares whose sides are x and x plus 4 centimeter. Here you see x square plus x plus 4 whole square will be equal to x square plus 16 plus 8x. So again it will be equal to 2x square plus 8x plus 16 and it is equal to 656 square centimeter it is given. So 2x square plus 8x minus 640 equal to 0. Take out 2 common, it will be equal to x square plus 4x minus 320 equal to 0. So x square plus 4x minus 320 equal to 0 will be the required quadratic equation. Now when we will solve it, x square, now in place of 4 I have written 20 minus 16, that will be equal to 4, but 20 into 16 will be equal to 320. So x square inside the bracket 20 minus 16 bracket close x minus 320. You see I have opened the bracket, x square plus 20x minus 16x minus 320 equal to 0. Further, we take common x from the first two terms. It will be equal to x inside the bracket x plus 20. From the third and fourth term, take out 16 common. It will be equal to 16 outside the bracket x plus 20. So x plus 20, x plus 20. Take it out common. So x plus 20 in one bracket. In the second bracket, it will be x minus 16. That will be equal to 0. So we put x plus 20 is equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus 20. It will be rejected being minus, because the length of any sides will not be in minus. Now proceed to the next, that is x minus 16 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 16 centimeter. Therefore the x plus 4 will be 16 plus 4, that will be 20 centimeter. So the answer will be 16 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Now proceed to the question number 19. 19 state that the perimeter of a rectangular plot is 180 meter and its area is 1800 square meters. Take the length of the plot as x meter. Use the perimeter 180 meter to write the value of the breadth in terms of x. Use the value of length, breadth and the area to write an equation in x. Solve the equation to calculate the length and breadth of the plot. Now here I have written question number 19 like this. The length is x. So 2, you see the perimeter will be equal to twice the inside the bracket breadth plus length. Length is x already taken. So we will work out the b plus x will be equal to 180 divided by 2, that will be equal to 90 meters. So the breadth b will be equal to 90 minus x. So we have already taken the length x. Now the breadth is 90 minus x. The area will be equal to length into breadth. So the x into 90 minus x, it will be equal to 1800 square meter. It is given already. So 90x minus x square is equal to 1800. So we will write it in this form, that is quadratic equation form, that is x square minus 90x plus 1800 equal to 0. This 90 can be written like this: x square minus 60 plus 30 bracket close x plus 1800 equal to 0. So the x square minus 16x minus 30 plus 1800 equal to 0. This will be further written like this: x inside the bracket x minus 60 minus 30 x minus 60 equal to 0. X minus 60 in the second bracket x minus 30 equal to 0. X minus 60 is equal to 0. X will be equal to 60 meters. X minus 30 equal to 0. X will be equal to 30 meters. So x is equal to 60 meters. The length will be 60 meters and breadth will be 30 meters. This will be the answer of this question number 19. Now Question number 20. A rectangle has an area of 24 square centimeter. If its length is x centimeter, write down the breadth in terms of x. Given that its perimeter is 20 centimeter, form an equation in x and solve it. You see, the area is 24 square centimeter, length is x centimeter, perimeter is 20 centimeter. This information is given. So in perimeter I have written here the twice inside the bracket x plus b is equal to 20 centimeter. So the x plus breadth, that will be equal to 20 divided by 2, that is 10. So breadth will be equal to 10 minus x centimeters, and x into b means area, that is 24 given. So b will be equal to 24 by x centimeter. So therefore the area is equal to x into 10 minus x is equal to 24. Just multiply it. 10x minus x square is equal to 24. So the x square minus 10x plus 24 equal to 0. X square minus 6 plus 4 in bracket, 6 plus 4, that is equal to 10. 6 into 4, that will be equal to 24. So we have to just split this. Now open this bracket. So we will get x square minus 6x minus 4x plus 24 equal to 0. So x will be taken out common. X minus 6 in the first bracket, and from the third and fourth term we can take minus 4 common, and inside the bracket we will get x minus 6. Now x minus 6 and x minus 6, it will be taken out common. So in the second bracket we will get x minus 4 equal to 0. So x minus 6 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 6. X minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4 centimeter. These are the two answers for the question number 20. Now proceed to the question number 21. Area of wall. You see, the question number 21 states that a rectangular garden 10 meter by 16 meter is to be surrounded by a concrete wall of uniform width. Given that the area of the wall is 120 square meters, assuming the width of the wall to be x, form an equation in x and solve it and find the value of x. Now you see the question number 21, the area of wall will be equal to external area of the garden. Means you see the internal dimension is given, that is 16 meter and 10 meters. So the width of the wall is x. So as you just find out the external length, it will be equal to 16 plus 2x, because x this side and this side. These two will be added, so it will become 16 plus 2x. Here it will be 10 plus 2x. The outside breadth will be 10 plus 2x. Here 16 plus 2x, here also 10 plus 2x I have written already. The inner dimension I already mentioned. So the external area of the garden minus internal area of the garden, that will be the area of the wall. So you see external area, find out 2x plus 16 into 2x plus 10 is equal to, minus 16 into 10, that is the internal area, is equal to 120 square meter. Area of the wall is given. So solve it, you will get 4x square plus 26 into 2x plus 16 into 10 minus 16 into 10, that will be equal to 120. You see this plus 16 into 10 and this minus 16 into 10 will be cancelled out. So the 4x square plus 52x minus 120 equal to 0. the x square plus 13x minus 30. This will be the standard required quadratic equation. So it will be one of the answer. Now we have solved it. We have to solve it. X square. Now this 13 can be splitted in the form of 15 minus 2. Because 15 minus 2, if you multiply these two, we will get minus 30. And if you just solve it, it will get 13. So I have written it x square plus inside the bracket 15 minus 2 x minus 15 into 2 equal to 0. So x square, now open the bracket, x square plus 15x minus 2x minus 15 into 2. I have in place of 30, I have written 15 into 2. Now take out common x from the first two terms. So inside the bracket we will get x plus 15. Here from the third and fourth term, take out minus 2 common, we will get x plus 15. Now x plus 15 and x plus 15, take it out common. So it will be x plus 15, inside the other bracket it will be x minus 2, that will be equal to 0. Now put x plus 15 is equal to 0. That will be x is equal to minus 15. We have to reject it because it is negative. The length can't be negative. So now proceed to the next factor, that is x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 meters. This will be the answer for the question number 21. Now question number 22. Question number 22 states that a man covers a distance of 200 kilometer traveling with the uniform speed of x kilometer per hour. The distance could have been covered in 2 hours less had the speed been x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Calculate the value of x. Here you see the time and distance formula is given. This time is equal to distance divided by speed. Distance given, that is 200 kilometer. The speed, initial speed is x kilometer per hour. The speed, that is final speed, that is x plus 5 kilometer per hour. So as per the given statement, we will work out the 200 by x. This will be the time in the first case. In the second case, it will be 200 divided by x plus 5. This time will be more and this time will be lesser. Because you see, if the denominator is x, here denominator is x plus 5. So the greater denominator gives lesser quotient and lesser denominator gives greater quotient. Should be equal to 2 hours. So we will take 200 common. Here it is, inside the bracket it is 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 5, bracket closed, is equal to 2. Now solve it further. Just I have this 200, I have brought it here, 2 by 200. Now take the LCM of this. The LCM will be x square plus 5x. And if you just divide, you will get the multiplier, that is x plus 5 here minus x here. Now it is a positive and it is minus, then it will cancel it out. We are left with the 5 as a numerator part. In the denominator part, x square plus 5x. And it will be equal to 1 by 100. 2 divided by 200, that is equal to 1 by 100. So further solve it. You will get x square plus 5x minus 500 equal to 0. So we have to split this 5 in such a way that the product should be equal to 500. X square plus inside the bracket 25 minus 20, that will be equal to 5. So 25 minus 20, this will be equal to 5. So bracket closed, x minus, I have written 500 in this way, 20 into 25, that is equal to 0. So x square, I have opened the middle bracket here, x square plus 25x minus 20x minus 20 into 25 equal to 0. Take out common. So from the first two terms, x will be out of the bracket, that is inside the bracket x plus 25. From the third and fourth term, take out minus 20 common. So we are left with x plus 25. Now take out x plus 25 common. So in the second bracket, we will get x minus 20. These are the two factors and whose product is equal to 0. Hence, we put x plus 25 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 25 kilometer per hour, and it will be rejected because the speed will not be in minus. So we will take the next one factor, that is x minus 20 equal to 0. So x will be equal to 20 kilometer per hour. This will be the acceptable answer. Now proceed to the question number 23. 23 states that an express train makes a run of 240 km at a certain speed. Another train whose speed is 12 km per hour less than the first train takes an hour longer to make the same trip. Find the speed of the express train in kilometer per hour. You see? Question number 23. Let x be the speed of the express train. Therefore, speed of the another train will be x minus 20. The distance is 240 km. So, as per the given statement, 240 divided by x minus 12 minus 240 by x is equal to 1 hour. It is already given. So take out 240 common. Inside the bracket we are left 1 upon x minus 12 minus 1 upon x, bracket closed, is equal to 1. Now this 240, take it here as a denominator part. So in solving this bracket, we will get x minus x plus 12 whole upon x square minus 12x is equal to 1 upon 240. So further solve it, we will get 12 upon x square minus 12x is equal to 1 upon 240. See, the required equation will be x square minus 12x minus 2880 is equal to 0. In order to find the middle part of factors 12, I have just factorized the 2880 like this and just associated it in such a group so that we can take the factors 60 minus 40. 60 into 40 I have written in place of this 60 into 48. Here 60 minus 48 we will get 12. So x square minus, inside the bracket write down 60 minus 48, bracket closed, x minus 60 into 48. In place of 2880 I have written 60 into 48. For detailed information you can consult this factorization. X square minus 60x plus 48x minus 60 into 48 equal to 0. So take x common. Inside the bracket we will get x minus 60 plus 48 from the third and fourth term in x minus 60. equal to 0. So x minus 60 in the first bracket, in the second bracket it will be x plus 48 equal to 0. Now put x minus 60 is equal to 0, x will be equal to 60 km per hour. In the second case, x plus 48 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 48, rejected being a minus. So we will take it only x is equal to 60 km per hour. This will be the required answer for the question number 23. Now question number 24, which states that a train covers a distance of 90 km at a uniform speed. Had the speed been 15 km per hour more, it would have taken 30 minutes less for the journey. Find the original speed of the train. So here question number 24, you see, let x be the original speed. The distance is equal to 90 km given. The formula for this, time is equal to distance divided by speed. Now, as per the given statement, I have written here 90 by x minus 90 by x plus 15 is equal to, this 30 minutes is given already, so 30 divided by 60, that is 1 by 2 hours. So take out 90 common, and inside the bracket we will get 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 15, bracket closed, will be equal to 1 by 2. Now further solve it. I have brought this 90 as a denominator part of this one. So 1 upon 2 into 90, and here the left side, x plus 15 minus x upon x square plus 15x. After solving we will get equation, that is x square plus 15x minus 2700 equal to 0. I have factorized the 2700 and grouping it as per the requirement. You can consult this one. Now you see the x square plus 60 minus 45. If you just subtract it, you will get 15. If you just multiply it, you will get 2700. Here also in place of 2700 I have written 60 into 45, that is equal to 0. So x square plus 60x minus 45x minus 60 into 45 equal to 0. Take out x common from the first two terms. So inside the bracket we will get x plus 60 minus 45. Inside the bracket x plus 60, bracket closed, equal to 0. So x plus 60 in the first bracket, x minus 45 in the second bracket, x plus 60 will be equal to 0. At that time it will be minus 60. And it will be rejected because being a minus. So x is equal to 45 km per hour. This will be the required solution for the question number 24. Now proceed to the question number 25. A plane left 30 minutes later than the scheduled time, and in order to reach its destination 1500 km away, it has to increase its speed by 250 km per hour for its usual speed. From its usual speed, find the usual speed. Here, let x be the original speed. The distance is given 90 kilometers. So again we use the formula, time is equal to distance divided by speed. Now as per the given statement, I have written here 90 by x minus 90 by x plus 15, that will be equal to 30 by 60. So let x be the original speed, distance is equal to 90 kilometers. We'll just here I have solved it. No, I have just repeated, sorry. Now question number 25 you see. Question number 25 is state that a plane left 30 minutes later than the scheduled time. In order to reach the destination 1500 km away, it has to increase the speed by 250 km per hour from its usual speed. Find the speed. So question number 25, you see the distance is given 1500 km, difference of the time that is 30 minutes, speed increased by 250 km per hour. Let x be its usual speed of the plane. Therefore, as per the given statement, 1500 by x minus 1500 upon x plus 250 is equal to 30 by 60. This will be equal to 1 by 2. So further solve it, you take out 1500 common, and inside the bracket we are left here x plus 250 minus x whole divided by x square plus 250x bracket closed, it will be equal to 1 by 2. So again solve it, x square plus 250 minus 1500 into 25 into 2 is equal to 0. You see, for 250 I have factorized it like this, x square plus 1000 minus 750 bracket closed. If you solve it, you will get 250. 750 into 1000, in place of I have written so x square plus 1000x minus 750x minus 750 into 1000. So it will be equal to 0. So again you take out common from the first two terms. Inside the bracket we will get x plus 1000 minus 750, take out common, and inside the bracket we will get x plus 1000, bracket closed. Now x plus 1000 is common, and in the second bracket we will get x minus 750 is equal to 0. So put x plus 1000 is equal to 0, and again you just substitute x minus 750 is equal to 0. Here x will be equal to minus 1000 km per hour. We have to reject it because being a negative. And in the second case, x will be equal to 750 km per hour, and it will be the required solution of the question number 25. Now proceed to the question number 26. A boat takes 1 hour longer to go 36 km up a river than to return. If the river flows at 3 km per hour, find the rate at which the boat travels in still water. You see, I have mentioned it here. Let x be the speed of the boat in still water. River flows at the speed of 3 km per hour. Distance is equal to 36 km. Resulting speed of the boat upstream will be x minus 3 km per hour. Resulting speed of the boat downstream will be x plus 3 km per hour. Now as per the given statement we have 36 upon x minus 3 minus 36 upon x plus 3 is equal to 1. Take out 36 common, and inside the bracket we are left 1 upon x minus 3 minus 1 upon x plus 3. Bracket closed is equal to 1. Now further solve it. Here is 36 will come here. 1 upon 36 it will become. Now x plus 3 minus x plus 3, x and x will be cancelled. Here x square minus 9, because if you multiply you will get x square minus 9. So x square minus 9 minus 6 into 36 is equal to 0. So the x square minus 225 is equal to 0. X square will be equal to 225. Now the x will be equal to plus minus 15. We have to take only plus sign because the speed will be in plus. So x will be equal to 15 kilometer per hour. Now proceed to the question number 27. Question number 27 states that a man purchased some horses for rupees 3000. 3 of them died and he sold the rest at rupees 65 more than what he had paid for each horse, and thus gained 6% on his outlay. How many horses did he buy? Now I have proceeded it here like this. Question number 27. Let x be the number of the horses purchased in rupees 3000. Therefore, the cost of one horse will be equal to rupees 3000 divided by x. Number of horses left when 3 of them died will be equal to x minus 3. Selling price of one horse as per the given statement is 3000 divided by x plus 65. So the total selling price of x minus 3 horses will be equal to 3000 by x plus 65 in bracket closed, in the outside bracket x minus 3. We have to just multiply it. So gain amount will be the total selling price minus cost price. So the total selling price is 3000 divided by x plus 65, multiplied it by x minus 3 minus 3000. Now open this bracket and solve it. It's just to multiply this, you will get 3000 plus 65x minus 9000 by x minus 195 minus 3000. You see this 3000 and this 3000, one is plus, other is negative, so it will be cancelled each other and it will be equal to now 5 common. I have taken 5 common. Here if you take 5 common, it will become 13x minus 1800 upon x minus 39, bracket closed. I have further solved it. 5 upon 5 into, inside the bracket 13x square minus 39x minus 1800 whole divided by x, bracket closed. Now the gain percentage. This will be the gain amount only. This total will be the gain amount. Now the gain percentage is gain upon cost price into 100. And it is given that it is equal to 6. I have mentioned it here. Gain upon cost price into 100. That will be equal to, you see, as it is, whatever the gain is there, I have brought it here. 5 inside the bracket 13x square minus 39x minus 1800 bracket closed upon x. This is 3000, that is the cost price, total cost price, into 100, and it should be equal to 6 because it is given. So 13x square minus 39x minus 1800 is equal to 36. This implies that 13x square minus 75x minus 1800 is equal to 0. With the help of the quadratic equation formula, I have solved it here. Minus inside the bracket minus 75 plus minus root of minus 75 whole square minus 4 into 13 into, inside the bracket I have written minus 1800 whole divided by 2 into 13. So if you further solve it, The x will be equal to 75 plus minus root 5625 plus 93,600 whole divided by 26. It will be equal to again 75 plus minus root 99,225 divided by 26. X will be equal to 75 plus minus 315. If you find out the square root of this 99,225, it will be equal to 315 whole divided by 26 I have here. So 390 divided by 26, it will be equal to 15, and this will be the required answer for this question. And other factor, when we will solve it, we will get minus 120 divided by 30, and it will be rejected being negative sign. Now let us go to the question number 28 of this exercise, which is the last question. Question number 28 states that a trader bought a number of articles for rupees 1,200. 10 were damaged and he sold each of the rest at rupees 2 more than what he paid for it, thus getting a profit of rupees 60 on the whole transaction. Taking the number of the articles to be he bought as X. Form an equation in X and solve it. You see, I have taken it here like this. Let X be the number of the article bought for rupees 1,200. Therefore, the number of article intact means which are safe, that is X minus 20, as 10 were damaged. So the cost price of one article will be 1,200 divided by X. Selling price of one article will be 1,200 divided by X plus 2. Selling price for X minus 10 articles will be 1,200 by X plus 2, bracket closed. In the second bracket we will write X minus 10. The profit is mentioned here. So that 1,200 divided by X plus 2 and X multiplied by X minus 10 minus 1,200, that is the cost price. So selling price minus cost price, that will give you the profit. Profit is given already, rupees 60. Now further you solve it, you will get 1,200 plus 2x minus 12,000 by x minus 20 minus 1,200 equal to 60. You see, this is 1,200 plus, this is minus, so both will be cancelled. Now proceed. 2x minus 12,000 divided by x minus 80 is equal to 0. Further solve it. X minus 6, you see I have taken 2 common, or I have divided it all the terms by 2. So it will become x minus 6,000 divided by x minus 40 equal to 0. We solve it further. We will get x square minus 40x minus 6,000 equal to 0. So the x square minus bracket closed 100 minus 60 into x minus 6,000 equal to 0. So now open this bracket. X square minus 100x plus 60x minus 60 into 100. Here I have splitted this 6,000 like this. Now take out x common from the first 2 terms. We will get x minus 100 in one bracket. From the third and fourth term, take out 60 common. So we will get x minus 100 Now from here and here we can take x minus 100 common, and we are left here x plus 60. So there are two factors which are equal to 0, the product of which is 0. Therefore x minus 100 is equal to 0, x will be equal to 100. Here x plus 60 is equal to 0, x will be equal to minus 60, it will be rejected being negative. So our answer will be x, that is, it will be equal to 100.